Everybody okay?
A crash! You hit it here, didn't you? You hit it. Oh, you ate dirt. I ate dirt. Daniel, you alright?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm done though.
You okay, dude?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Alright. You scared the shit out of me.
Hold the brakes!
Dude, you need a break up the brakes.
Don't.
Look at these handlebars.
Holy. They're not supposed to be like that.
Really?
Aaron, don't put the helmet on and don't kill yourself. Oh crap, I just missed him. Yeah. You okay? Do you want me to stop?
You're at about 8 miles right there. About landed right where you did. Sure, it looks pretty cool now. But seriously, dude, are you alright? I saw your phone and I was like, oh, there goes our day.
I'm done. I don't want to die.
Should I stop rolling?